Welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Julie and today we are going to be reviewing the new Bugaboo Fox 5 Modular All-Terrain Stroller. But before we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions you have about the stroller. Now let's get started. The Bugaboo Fox 5 is the newest version of the classic Bugaboo Fox stroller. This is an all-terrain stroller with the ability to adapt easily to your needs. The Bugaboo Fox 5 packs in some amazing new upgrades, including one-handed adjustments for the fold, handlebar, footrest extension, canopy height, and recline. It also has improved maneuverability, a higher seat and bassinet adjustment positions, an improved position of the comfort wheeled board accessory, and was redesigned with a more premium look. We love when brands make improvements to their strollers, and this truly makes for an easier experience for parents. Now let's go over some other features for the Fox 5. When you receive the Fox 5, out of the box you will receive the frame and hardware for the seat and bassinet, the seat and bassinet fabric, bassinet bottom, an aerated mattress, the swing-away bumper bar, the sun canopy, the wheels and wheel hardware, the included rain cover, infant car seat adapters, and the under-seat basket. When setting up the Fox 5 for the first time, you will notice that the seat frame comes assembled with the bassinet. Bugaboo did this so that your stroller is ready for baby as soon as they arrive. This stroller also comes with click-and-go car seat adapters to create a travel system. The Fox 5's UPF 50 Plus Extra Large Extendable Canopy is made with durable materials and provides ample ventilation for your little one. This canopy is also machine washable along with all other fabrics found on the Fox 5. When it comes to the seat, Bugaboo provides a unique frame design that allows you to transform the bassinet into a seat once baby outgrows the bassinet. This allows for more compact storage because it minimizes stroller parts while you save the bassinet for your next baby. The ergonomic stroller seat features premium yet easy to care for soft brushed fabrics and a no rethread harness complete with ultra soft shoulder pads. It also has a 3-position recline and an easy to use swing away belly bar. This seat is modular, meaning it can face either direction or can be completely removed when using the included car seat adapters or to create a more compact folding option. The Fox 5's bassinet has a sleek design with an aerated 3D comfort mattress, mattress cover, integrated parent pockets, and an easy-to-zip apron. There is even a breezy panel at the back of the bassinet for extra ventilation, which helps baby regulate their body temperature. But rest assured, it has been tested at high wind speeds to ensure your baby stays cozy in any weather when the panel is in the closed position. Both the belly bar and push bar are wrapped in a leatherette detailing. The push bar has multiple height positions and has integrated attachment points for the popular Bugaboo accessories. There is also a convenient wrist strap for safer strolls. One new feature we love is the height adjustment of the canopy and footrest. This is great for taller children who need a little more extra room when they grow and provides 4 additional inches total. The Fox 5's chassis is made with lightweight, durable, and sustainable materials and comes in both graphite and black. This stroller comes in a variety of different fashion options to fit your style. There is also a variety of amazing Bugaboo accessories that you can pair with this stroller. One accessory we love in particular is the comfort wheeled board. This board creates a space for your older child, making the Fox 5 able to easily transport up to 2 children at once. The Fox 5 is equipped with advanced all-wheel suspension. This stroller's wheels are puncture-proof. The front swivel wheels are 8.5 inches in diameter and can be locked when encountering tougher terrain. The back wheels are 12 inches in diameter. There is also a handy one-touch foot brake. The Fox 5's basket is equipped with extendable flaps, a new hidden pocket, and has a capacity of 22 pounds to fit all your necessities. And the basket is easily accessible from the front or back. For additional storage, pair the Fox 5 with one of Bugaboo's diaper bags or the parent organizer. As for the weight, the Fox 5 weighs a total of 22.8 pounds and can be used from birth to 50 pounds. Now let's review the folding instructions. Note that the Fox 5 can be folded with the stroller seat in either direction or with the bassinet attached. It can also stand on its own in the folded position thanks to the new and improved self-stand design. First, line up the seat or bassinet frame with the direction of the handlebar. Engage the one-touch brake and lower the push bar. Engage the safety lock and middle adjustment button on the handlebar. Lower the handlebar to the ground while pulling up on the seat or bassinet frame to complete the standing fold. To unfold the stroller, pull up on the belly bar until you can reach the handlebar and set the stroller to an upright position. You will hear an audible click. Adjust the seat and handlebar to your desired position and you're ready to roll. To create a more compact fold for tighter spaces, you can take off your seat or bassinet and set it aside and fold the frame separately so you can store both easier. That wraps up our review on the amazing Bugaboo Fox 5 Modular Stroller. We love this stroller for its ability to adapt to your needs for its ultra smooth push and performance. You can shop for the Fox 5 at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. To learn more about Bugaboo, check out this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.